Paper Pigments Market plays a crucial role in the paper and printing industry, enhancing brightness, opacity, smoothness, and printability, while improving overall paper quality. The market is led by several key players driving product innovation and performance standards. Imerys leads the market with 11% market share, followed by Omya International at 10%. Minerals Technologies accounts for 6%, while DIC represents 3%, and Atul Ltd hold 2% together. These top 5 companies control approximately 32% of the market, indicating a moderately fragmented competitive landscape. As demand for high-quality printing, packaging, and specialty paper products grows, product innovation and improved coating performance will shape future market competition. Markets move fast. Your decision needs to move faster. The 360iResearch platform brings analyst-authored research and AI-powered discovery together in one place. Ask targeted market questions, track competitors, explore industry shifts, and uncover timely insights that help your team move from data to confident action. Connect with 360iResearch and turn inspiring insights into dependable actions.